Hey guys, got over Christmas, vlog over here. Yeah, so it's nearly 8 o'clock in the morning over here. And we're just going to get on the bus. And we'll take Draggy out there as well.
Hey, welcome to a Draggy show. If you want to have some fun, that's Draggy. Favourite game? Google Translate.
One of his foreign games. So we just got off the bus and we're directly at the airport, which is really cool. So get ready for what the airport do. Compilots are such good actors.
Because they always look to pass.
Well, I'm certainly used to a high-flying life. I think I step in now, and we're definitely going to do an X-ray show. No, we're not going to go there because that's Terminal 4 and we need to go to Terminal 1. Oops! Okay, so out of the bus, into the airport, and then back into the bus again.
Oh, this is what I call buzzing.
I made it through not only the X-ray but also the police checking passport thing because, well, they've been right next to each other, which is the first time we've ever seen anything like that. So, yeah, get ready for lots of establishing footage of the airport. Is this guy tell the truth?
No, he's full of bull.
Yeah, I heard that.
I like waiting in airports. The chocolate.
It's time to stop and have a little bit of coffee in an underground place called Starbucks. You might have heard of it.
It's pretty underground. You might not have heard of it.
Now getting ready for it, perfect.
Stop putting there. Oh, come on, Ryan. Back to the cab of the plane.
Plane make. Like Draggy Magic is plain hilarious. What? Go out there, plane landed, who's your home? Hello England! So we're just at Manchester Airport train station and Draggy just had to share with you, so yeah, I'm going to pass over to him.
What shoes do train drivers wear? Platforms! Okay, back to you in the travel vlog.
What do you think of this Christmas tree, Draggy?
Yeah, it really spruces the place up.
I thought you'd love it. We finally got the train. About 10 minutes late. True British fashion. So, before it is, we thought it would be a really good idea to do like a comedy sketch on the train, so we're going to do it now.
Wait, a comedy sketch? I just did a regular sketch.
Draggy, that's not funny.
It's supposed to be you. We're truly home.
Man, I love cancel culture. Absolute nightmare. Train after train's been cancelled, man. Mess and crew trying to get on the right platform because it takes like 4 times.
Yeah, here's a map to help illustrate it. We went to platform 5, but then we saw the train got cancelled. So we had to go to platform 11 and we had to wait for some time. But then it told us to go to platform 5 and we went to platform 5 and it told us it was wrong. So we went to platform 12 to get the train. Then it told us platform 5 again. Thanks for watching for Tracky Show. Check out this other cool stuff.